Dreaming of studying in Canada? Now is the perfect opportunity. Admissions for January 2027 intake are officially open at top Canadian universities. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through admissions, tuition fees, IELTS requirements, scholarships, and the visa process. Let's explore why Canada remains the top choice for international students worldwide and how you can secure your spot today. Canada is one of the world's most popular destinations because of its globally ranked universities and high-quality education system. Students choose Canada for its affordable education compared to other Western nations, along with incredible work opportunities. With clear PR pathways and family-friendly visa policies, it's a safe and multicultural environment for your entire future. Let's look at our first option, the University of Toronto. It's one of Canada's highest-ranked institutions with world-class facilities. U of T offers prestigious programs in computer science, business administration, engineering, and data science. Admission opens in August 2026 with a deadline in October. Tuition fees range from $38,000 to $55,000 Canadian dollars per year. Next is the University of British Columbia in beautiful Vancouver, known for its research excellence and stunning location. UBC is famous for its courses in AI, biotechnology, and environmental science, attracting top talent from across the globe. Admissions open in September. The deadline is November 2026, with tuition fees between $35,000 and $52,000 Canadian dollars. Moving to Montreal, McGill University is a historic choice with a reputation for academic rigor and excellence in medicine. McGill's top programs include medicine, finance, and media studies. It offers a unique cultural experience in a bilingual city. Admission opens in August. Tuition fees are competitive, ranging from $28,000 to $48,000 Canadian dollars per year. Apply early. The University of Alberta is another excellent option, particularly for those interested in engineering and agriculture. They offer world-class training in petroleum engineering, nursing, and business analytics, with strong industry links. With tuition between $24,000 and $40,000 Canadian dollars, it's a high-value choice. Remember, the deadline is November 2026. Finally, York University in Toronto is a leader in law, business, and information technology. York is highly sought after for its digital media and cybersecurity programs, offering great career prospects in the city. Admissions open in August. It's one of the most affordable options, with tuition starting at $22,000 Canadian dollars per year. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step admission process to ensure your success for the 2027 intake. First, choose your university and course carefully. Then, apply through the university portal as early as possible. Upload all required documents professionally and wait for your official admission offer letter to arrive. Secure your spot by paying the tuition deposit. This is also the time to apply for any available scholarship opportunities. Once your admission and scholarships are sorted, it's time to apply for your Canadian student visa. Always apply to the university first. Only after you have that offer letter should you proceed with scholarships and visas. A key requirement for your application is proving your English language proficiency. Here are the scores you'll need. For undergraduates, aim for 6.0 to 6.5 bands. Master's students typically need 6.5 to 7.0 bands in IELTS. If you're taking the PTE, a minimum score of 58 to 65 is required by most top Canadian institutions. Preparation is everything. Make sure you have this document checklist ready before you start your application. You'll need your academic certificates, a valid passport, a strong statement of purpose, and an updated CV. Don't forget your language results, 2 recommendation letters, and all necessary financial documents. Important note: study gaps are accepted up to 5 years. Edunex International can help you explain any breaks. The visa process is the final hurdle. Let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect. Once you pay your deposit, you'll submit your application online and attend a biometrics appointment. Next is your medical examination. After that, you'll wait for the official decision on your student visa. Edunex International maintains a 99% visa success ratio, ensuring you have the best possible chance of approval. Remember, you are allowed to work part-time during your studies and full-time during your holidays. Best of all, your spouse and children can accompany you to Canada, making it a journey for the whole family. Don't miss this life-changing opportunity. January 2027, admissions are open now, and seats are filling up fast. Start your Canada study journey today. Contact Edunex International and let our experts handle the rest. Your future starts today. Visit our website or message us on WhatsApp to begin your application. Subscribe for more updates.